Question number 12. The line joining the points 3, -2 and -3, -4 is trisected equally. Trisected equally means the line joining 3, -2 is divided into 3 equal parts. Means it is point P, AP is equal to PQ is equal to BQ. All 3 parts are equal. Then we have to find the coordinate of the point of trisection. Means we have to find the value of x, y or capital X, capital Y. Now, since if these points divide the line segment in 3 equal parts, divide the line segment AB in 3 equal parts, then if it is X, PQ is also X, and if AP is M, then PQ is also M and QB is M. Firstly, let P and Q divides the line segment AB in 3 equal parts. Then if we find AQ, then AQ equal AP plus PM means M plus M, it is 2M. BQ equal, BQ is M, then AQ by BQ is 2M by M means 2 by 1. Similarly, AP by PB is equal 1 by 2. It means point P and Q divides AB in P is 1:2 and Q is 2:1 respectively. Then if it is x1, y1 and it is x2, y2, then value of x is obtained by m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. Then m1 is point P divides the line segment in 1:2, means m1 is 1 and m2 is 2. Then 1 into -3 plus 2 into 3 by 1 plus 2. 1 m1 into m2, m1 into x2 is -3, m2 which is 2 into x1 is 3 by m1 plus m2 means 1 plus 2. Then it is m1 ratio m2, and for point q it is m1 dash m2 dash. Minus 3 to the 6 minus 3 means 3 by 3, it is 1, and y is equal m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Put the value m1 y2, m1 is 1, y2 is minus 4 plus m2 is 2, y1 is minus 2 by 3, and it is minus 8 by 3. Means coordinate of point P is 1 comma minus 8 by 3. Second point, x, capital X is equal m1 dash x2 plus m2 dash x1 by m1 dash plus m2 dash. Put the value. We have m1 dash means 2 into x2 is minus 3 plus m2 dash is 1 into x1 is x1 is 3 by m1 plus m2 means 1 plus 2. We have 3 minus 6 means minus 1. Value of y is m1 dash y2 plus m2 dash y1 by m1 dash plus m2 dash. m1 is 2, y2 is minus 4 plus m2 is 1, m2 dash is 1, y1 is minus 2 by 1 plus 2. Then it is minus 8 minus 2 minus 10 by 3. Means coordinate of point P is 1 comma minus 8 by 3, and coordinate of point Q is minus 1 comma minus 10 by